Welcome in second movie from Unity Basic series. From start I wanted to say that I have additional material for you. In document you can find many tools and tricks which I collect to deliver you more value. So we should back to our main topic. Now we should open Unity Hub and click in the tab New Project. We should fill up the gaps like name, project type, and after all we should click to create and wait a minute. Our new project have first scene with camera and global lighting. We also have folder in project in which we have this scene. For today it's end. Every next movie will be like this, topic dependent. So next movie will be about layout. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.